Can you share a breakthrough in your research that was made possible through bioinformatics?
Happy to. Thanks for asking. I think bioinformatics or computational biology nowadays is everywhere in biology, and similar because of those big data sets, kind of statistical analysis, machine learning is there as well. So we've been from the get-go using these type of techniques in single cell analysis to sort of learn what large scale variations in the human body happen. For example, we've been using these tools to put together not just one data set from one lab across variation, how a lung looks like, but to take 50 different of these data sets, integrate them in a nonlinear fashion into a big space that's then the human lung cell atlas. As I said, I think machine learning, or as we nowadays call AI, has been, if we're really honest about it, at the get-go of even early computational biology type of analysis. Why? Well, because we always had these type of statistical models. So I think in our field, we always had to use these things. We don't have equations as you would have in a physics. If I throw a ball, I don't sort of know, I can't predict where it lands. If I sort of take a human genome and perturb something there, it's very hard to do that, right? So I think already now it's playing a role, and in the future, and I'm happy to discuss about that more, it's going to be exploding massively. So the future of AI is very much going to this large-scale model called foundation models, right? And I think biology in particular is one of the top disciplines where you want to actually apply machine learning AI to. So the type of data sets we are doing, they're quite unprecedented. And in contrast to many other disciplines, in our field, we can actually test those models. We can do validations. We can do additional perturbations. I think the field is really beautiful. I used to do machine learning AI in very different applications. But in bio, in particular molecular biology, we can test, we can cycle, we can do lab in the loop. I think it's going to be fascinating. So the type of scale of data sets that are already currently produced in the future will be even more exploding. I think it's going to shape a whole bunch of sort of data-driven language models, not of natural language, but of this much more complex language of life.